Hi, it's Doug talking about reviewing submitted inspection reports within the fire department online software. After signing into your website, you will be presented with the firefighter's home page. Your home page will look a little different than what is being shown to you here, as your website will be customized for your fire department. Also, your fire department may not have implemented all options available within the fire department online software. You can review submitted inspection reports one of two ways. From the home screen on the card titled Review Submitted Inspection Reports, click on the Review button. The second way is by clicking on Inspection Reports from the menu bar from any screen you are on, like the burn permit listings as demonstrated. On the card titled Review Submitted Inspection Reports, click on the Review button. No matter which way you use, you will be presented with all the submitted inspection reports requiring review for your fire department. If the firefighter signed into the system is associated with a fire station, then their fire station will be at the top of the screen like what is being shown to you now. If the firefighter is not associated with a fire station, like the fire chief, then the fire stations will be listed in alphabetical order. Notice that the equipment shows the type of inspection report you are going to review and the date that the inspection report finalized page was submitted. I'd like to point out that Fire and Rescue 290 for Bedrock Hall has two inspection reports waiting to be reviewed. One is a scheduled inspection report and the other is a non-scheduled inspection report. The wording after type, in our case scheduled and after call, are what this fire department decided to call the two types of inspection reports available within fire department online software. We will begin by reviewing the scheduled inspection report for Fire and Rescue 290 by clicking the button to the left of Fire and Rescue 290. The inspection date of December 29th, 2023 in the title is the scheduled inspection date. Looking at the inspection report submission details section, we can see the date this inspection report was submitted. We also see what the current odometer reading was. We see that Firefighter Buddy submitted the finalized section of this inspection report. The firefighter who aided in producing this inspection report are also listed. The inspection report sections, we can see who submitted the inspection section. Notice under the cab inspection section, we see that Buddy reported that the blue emergency light on the bar is burnt out for item. Check that all emergency lights are in good working condition. If an inspection section didn't have any issues like passenger side compartment 1, then we would get all equipment items or tasks have been reported as okay. In other words, when the firefighter was doing the passenger side compartment 1, they marked all equipment items and or tasks as being okay. We will scroll through the remaining inspection sections to see if there are any other outstanding issues. We didn't see any other issues, but did you notice that firefighter Adam submitted the inspection section driver side compartment 1? We will enter a comment that the burnt out bulb was replaced. We do this so we have a complete record that the issue was fixed. Finally, we click on the Review Fire and Rescue 290 button. Notice that the scheduled inspection report for Fire and Rescue 290 is no longer listed. Next, we will review the non-scheduled inspection report for Fire and Rescue 290 by clicking the button to the left of Fire and Rescue 290. The inspection report submission detail section is the same as a scheduled inspection report. The inspection report sections section has a note about this inspection report as being a partial inspection report. We won't add any comments this time, so we will click on the Review Fire and Rescue 290 button. Notice that there are no more inspection reports listed for Fire and Rescue 290. I forgot to mention on the last inspection report that we reviewed about the confirmation message appearing at the top of the page. I will now go offline to finish reviewing most of these submitted inspection reports. This is the last inspection report that requires reviewing, so we will click on the Reviewed Orbit Hall 3 button. Notice that we have a thumbs up emoji under all the fire stations. When we see this emoji under a fire station, it means there are no more submitted inspection reports requiring review. That concludes the video on reviewing submitted inspection reports from Fire Department Online. Thanks for watching.